Exploring the hidden magic of Valladolid, Mexico. Discover the colonial architecture, ancient Mayan ruins, delicious cuisine, and natural beauty of this underrated destination. Discovering the hidden gem of Valladolid, Mexico. An adventure through history and beauty. As I ventured through the lush jungle of the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, I stumbled upon a hidden gem, a city filled with history, culture, and breathtaking beauty, Valladolid. Nestled between the bustling cities of Cancun and Mérida, Valladolid is a city that often goes unnoticed by travelers, but once discovered, it becomes a highlight of any journey through Mexico. From the moment I arrived, I was struck by the city's colonial charm, with its pastel-colored buildings and cobblestone streets that seemed to lead me back in time. I soon learned that Valladolid was founded in 1543, making it one of the oldest cities in the Yucatan Peninsula and a true testament to Mexico's rich history. One of my favorite experiences in Valladolid was visiting the convent of San Bernardino de Siena, a stunning 16th-century building that serves as a beautiful example of Spanish colonial architecture. The intricate carvings, stunning stained glass windows, and lush courtyards took my breath away and transported me back to a time when Spanish conquistadors roamed the Yucatan Peninsula. But Valladolid is not just about its rich history, it's also a city filled with natural beauty. I was in awe as I walked through the picturesque streets, surrounded by lush tropical plants and bright blooms of bougainvillea. And, as I reached the central square, I was greeted by the stunning Cathedral of San Gervasio, a stunning example of Mexican Baroque architecture. Valladolid is also home to hundreds of beautiful cenotes, crystal-clear natural swimming holes that are surrounded by lush vegetation and wildlife. I had the opportunity to swim in 3 of these stunning cenotes, and it was an unforgettable experience. The cool, crystal-clear water was a welcome respite from the heat of the Mexican sun, and I felt like I was in a natural paradise. Another must-see in Valladolid is the ancient Mayan ruins of Chichen Itza, which are just a short drive from the city. The pyramids of Chichen Itza are a true testament to the skill and ingenuity of the ancient Mayans, and I was awed as I stood at the base of these towering structures. Valladolid is also known for its delicious cuisine, and I was eager to try the local specialties. I indulged in traditional Yucatan dishes such as cochinita pibil, a slow-roasted pork dish, and panuchos, corn tortillas filled with black beans and topped with juicy meats and vegetables. The flavors and aromas of the local cuisine are a true feast for the senses. As I continued my journey through Valladolid, I realized that this hidden gem had captured my heart with its rich history, stunning beauty, and delicious cuisine. It's a city that truly offers something for everyone, and I couldn't help but feel grateful for the chance to explore this magical place. If you're looking for an adventure filled with history, culture, and natural beauty, then Valladolid, Mexico, is a must-visit destination. Trust me, you won't regret discovering this hidden gem in the heart of the Yucatan Peninsula. Check in the description for items I used when traveling. Grab a flight today and come join the adventure. Flights in description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more adventure.